Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to tell the difference between might and could. Let's begin with the key points. What does might mean? What does could mean? Comparing might and could. Using might to suggest something uncertain. Practice examples. Summary. What does might mean? Might tells us that something is possible, but we are not sure. Examples. I might go out tonight. Maybe yes, maybe no. She might be at the cafe. It's possible. They might come to the party. We don't know yet. Use might when something could happen, but it's not certain. What does could mean? Could has 3 different meanings. Past ability. I could swim when I was 5 years old. She could read when she was very young. Polite request. Could you help me? Could you send me the file? Ask for permission. Could I borrow your pen? Could I leave a little early? Comparing might and could. Let's compare. Might. Something is possible, but not sure. It might rain tomorrow. He might call you later. Could. Past ability. She could play the piano when she was a child. Polite request. Could you call me later? Ask for permission. Could I sit here? Remember, might is not used for ability or permission. Could is not usually used for uncertain possibilities in the present. Using might to suggest something uncertain. We can use might when we want to suggest something that is possible, but we don't know for sure. Examples. You might like the new restaurant. He might enjoy that movie. We might want to check the weather before going out. Practice examples. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. Could I join your group for the project? Yes, we'd be happy to have you. What might you do this weekend? I might visit my family. What could you do when you were younger? I could run very fast. What might your friend cook for dinner? She might make pasta. Could you help me with this form? Sure, I'd be happy to help. What might happen if you wake up late? I might miss the bus. Summary. Let's review. Might shows possibility, not certain. I might be late. Could is used for polite requests. Could you help me? Ask for permission. Could I use your phone for a moment? Past abilities. I could read at age 4. Don't use might for requests or past skills. Don't use could for present possibilities. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.